Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Why not make this beautiful Valentine's Day rose cake? It's so easy to decorate. Just get a basic raspberry cake or any red cake of your choice, perhaps red velvet. Then fill and cover it in white buttercream icing. Create a smooth work surface to decorate. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Then we're going to paste some pink buttercream icing around the middle of the outside. Stick on a rose. Wrap some rope around it. Tie a lovely bow. Let's stick on some mini macarons. Pink, of course. And some rose petals on top. Beautiful. Let's stick on some sprinkles too, and a few for extra measure. And there you have it. Absolutely stunning. So easy to make. Valentine's Day rose cake. Serve to your loved ones.